Do you know that market doesn't move in a random way? It moves in patterns. And if you can be able to identify any of these chart patterns, you can make money in the market. In this video, I'll show you one chart pattern that can make you profitable. I have been using these chart patterns for years and it has been working for me 90% of the time. Think of chart patterns as a landmine detector, because once you finish watching this video, you'll be able to identify big moves in the market even before they happen. So without further ado, let's jump in. But before you jump in, take note, I don't sell course. Everything I do in this channel is completely for free. So if you want to learn how to be a profitable trader, make sure you watch this video to the end, click the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. Without further ado, let's jump in. This one chart pattern that can make you profitable is called head and shoulder patterns. This occurs mostly in uptrend. So if you identify any of this head and shoulder pattern in uptrend, get ready for downtrend. If you identify it in downtrend, get ready for uptrend. So how do you identify head and shoulder pattern in any market? First, it is formed by peak called shoulder, followed by a higher peak called head, and then another lower peak called shoulder. This is called head and shoulder pattern. Take note, this is only in uptrend. As for downtrend, it's called inverse head and shoulder pattern. It is the opposite of head and shoulder pattern. So how does it form in downtrend? It forms in downtrend first by peak called shoulder, followed by a lower peak called head, then another lower peak called shoulder. Take note, in uptrend it is called head and shoulder pattern. In downtrend it is called inverse head and shoulder pattern. Before you jump in to see how to trade this chart pattern like a pro, let's see what it means if you identify it in uptrend. First, if you identify it in uptrend, it means that buyers have lost their momentum and sellers are gaining their momentum. It sounds good, right? So if you identify it in downtrend, also it means that sellers are losing their power and buyers are gaining their power. We are going to explain how to use it for now. Take note, if you want to be a profitable trader, you need a very reliable broker. I recommend Exness. A broker is any platform that helps you to trade accurately. So the reason why I recommend Exness is because they have tight spreads. For you to trade accurately, you need a broker that have tight spread, and most importantly, they are reliable and trusted. So if you're a beginner and you don't have any broker yet, then use Exness. I'll put the link in the description of this video. All you have to do is to click the link, it will bring you to this page, then sign up with your email address and put your password. After signing up, you do your KYC verification, then deposit and start making money. So if you're not using Exness yet, then use the link in the description of this video to sign up, do your KYC verification and trade like pro. Now let's see how to trade head and shoulder pattern like a pro. First, you have to identify the trend. Once you identify the trend, then wait for this chart pattern to occur. Once it occurs, wait for breakouts and immediately follow the breakouts. Now let's see how to trade it. This is gold USD on 1 hour time frame. You can use this on any financial market, okay? So, and you can also use it in any time frame, but the higher the time frame, the more chance you have of being profitable. Okay, now as you can see, this is correct uptrend. This is correct uptrend. It moved up, retraced and moved up. Now it kept moving up and kept retracing and kept moving up and kept retracing. And before we identify this head and neck shoulder pattern on this uptrend, first of all, let us see how it looks perfectly. A head and leg shoulder and a head and shoulder pattern in uptrend looks this way. Market moves up, then retrace to this key level, then move up again, creating a high higher than this previous one. This is called head. Then retrace back to this particular key level, then moved up again and created a high equal to this one. It is not above this one, okay? So it could be here and it traced back to this key level. So here, once you get a breakout here, enter immediately after the breakouts and targets, and your target should be height almost of the same with this one. Okay, so now let's see it on this uptrend. Now this is head and neck shoulder on gold USD 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the market moved up and created a shoulder, then moved back again, moved up, it created head, moved and moved again. So if I zoom it, you can see it clearly. Don't forget, this head and shoulder pattern must not be perfect. Okay, if you come to this 15 minutes time frame, you can see it clearly. It moved up, retraced, this is head, moved up again, sorry, this is shoulder, moved up again, retraced, then this one is head and created another shoulder. Take note, this current shoulder must not be equal with this one, but the most important is it must not be above this head. Okay, so now it drop from here and break. Now it break this, and as you can see, when the market broke this, as you can see, when the market broke this, you see the market retraced back to it and started selling. You can see this massive drop because of this head and shoulder pattern. See the massive drop here because of this particular head and shoulder pattern. You can use this example as well to trade inverse head and shoulder pattern in downtrend. Okay, so the most important thing is wait for it to form. Once it forms, wait for this neck to break. As you can see, we broke this neck and retraced to it, then started selling. Okay, you can use the same example to trade downtrend. Once you spot inverse head and shoulder pattern in downtrend, then get ready for uptrend. Just wait for breakouts, enter immediately after breakouts, or wait for a test. Now ride the trend and make money instantly. Don't forget, I drop more videos like this that can help you become profitable. There are numerous chart patterns that can help you make money, but this head and shoulder pattern is the one that I've used, and I can testify that it works 90% of the time. So try it and thank me later. Don't forget, I have more videos that can help you become profitable. Check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you at the top. Goodbye.